Hi. So today we'll discuss about what is trends and how to check it and how it is useful for us. So as we all know, initially what we need to do is we need to log in through our admin credentials. Once we log in through our admin credentials, the first screen that we come across is the screen. This is the dashboard that we call, which usually gives us the complete overview of our account along with the summary, analysis, and all the shortcut keys as well. Now we need to understand that what is trends. Trends is basically a graphical representation of our reporting format. That's it. So obviously we are taking a CRM, we are working on it, we are making the calls, we're updating it, and whatever the things are happening on our complete day-to-day activities. So in order to get a clarity on a graphical representation, we can get a view of trends so that it is going to help us to get a better clarity and a better visibility towards our work and towards our progress. So what we need to do is in the left hand side there's a trends option, as we can see. We just need to click on it. Once we click on it, we can see there are a couple of charts are available, like call attempted versus call connected, total call duration, conversion ratio, leads added, everything. So if we want to check the what is the call attempted versus call connected ratio, we'll be able to check it from here. If you click on the graphs, we would be able to see that weekly wise call attempted and call connected numbers as well. Okay. Along with that, the total call duration will also fetch up over here. As in my account, I have not called, so that's why it's not been fetched up. But if particularly on a daily basis the callings are happening, so that particular call duration will also fetch up. And after, just beside every headers, there is a I button. We can simply click on the I button also, and we will be able to understand that which graph represents what. So we'll get a clarity on that also. Even the conversion ratio, we will be able to check it, like how many leads are getting converted and all. How many leads are being added on a weekly basis. That is also been shown over here. On the weekly basis, the particular week-wise date and the total leads added. It's been visible over here. Along with that, if we just click on the filter option, we'll be able to see there are a couple of other filter options are available, like last 7 days, last 30 days, and the custom as well. So on a daily basis, on a date wise, the filter option is also available as per all the charts. Now, if we just click on this select graph, there's at the top at the left hand side we can see last 30 days. That's a filter option. If we click on it, we can see last 7 days, last 30 days, and a custom. The day wise filter option is there. Along with that, there's a select graph as well. So if we just simply click on select graph, we can see the call attempted, total call duration, conversion ratio, and leads added. These four graphs are already been added over here. Along with that, there are two more graphs, lead sources and lost leads. So if we just deselect any two graphs and select this lead sources and lost leads, if you just click on OK, we can see these two graphs are also available, lead sources and lost leads. So what are the sources of leads that has been fetched up? That has been fetched up, like the file upload, walk-in leads, and the incoming IVR as well. Along with that, the lost leads as well. That's so how whatever the leads we are having within that, if we how many leads are got lost and all, that particular data will also fetch up over here. And in each and every charts, we'll be able to get the filter option as well. So we'll be able to filter it out as per our need within the last 7 days or last 30 days, and the custom also we can make it. So from any of the starting date and end date. So accordingly, we'll be able to get that what kind of data it's happening and what kind of productivity is happening in our organization. So why I have deselected the two graphs and selected other two graphs. So basically, in this particular dashboard, in the trend section, at a time only four graphs will be visible. If you want to check the other two graphs, then the previous two graphs we need to unselect it and select the two graphs. So at a time, four graphs will be able to cater in a particular dashboard, and whatever the graphs we want it on a urgent basis, we can just keep it, and then accordingly we can unselect any of the two graphs and select the new one, and we would be able to have a clarity that what is going on. Along with that, there is a request graph option as well. If you just simply click on request graph, if in case along with this six charts and six graphs, if you want any other graphs or charts to be there, so that we'll be able to get a clarity on that what is happening, and that particular graph will also be able to give us more insights about our productivity. So at that point of time, what we can do, we can simply request a graph from here, and we can simply put it over here that what trend would you like to have, and what how would this trend help you. So this three things we can just update it and click on submit. Automatically it will go to our NeoDove product team. The product team will simply analyze it, analyze the requirement, and accordingly they will reach out to us. They will understand that how it is being needed and how much like how much importance it's gonna have, then accordingly we can have a discussion and we can just implement that also. So this is how basically the trends have. The trends usually have this importance, and how we can use these trends as a graphical representation on a monitoring purposes and to analyze the reports that what is going on. So yeah, that's all about the trends. So thank you.